we give zakat of animals as well. That I had the pet as well earlier,
Mm-hmm.
parrot. So we
Mm-hmm.
used to give zakat of parrot and cat as well. We gave this as well.
Okay.
And yeah,
All right.
because sometimes what happens that we don't have the self control, right? But we build this habit as well through this.
Yes, of course. Of course, this is very important. By doing practically, we learn certain things. Yeah. Saying something like, yeah, I
Mhm.
can do this. It's very simple, very easy. But when you engross in doing that, then you get to know about the real challenges of it. Practice of anything makes us perfect. So practice of fasting is also
Exactly.
very good actually. So whole day you must not be having much work also to do because cooking is the tedious task for all the ladies.
Yeah, it's big.
Whole day they keep on cooking
Yeah,
something or the
and
other.
it is tedious. It is a tedious as well, and I feel burnout. And cooking is like it's not my preference, I would say. But I love me. It's very fond of watching videos on YouTube. So she tries new dishes. She likes to cook new dishes as well.
Oh, that's
And
nice.
I also like to cooking as well. But now I have another work like.
Hello, Mantasha. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
very
Welcome
good
to
afternoon.
my channel, Grammar with Manju ma'am. How has your day been so far?
I'm fantastic. My day was good so far. How about you?
I'm also fit as fiddle, fresh as flower. I hope that we are going to have a lovely conversation and it's going to help the audience. You are a wonderful speaker. I know that you will certainly make this conversation more intriguing for the audience. So, yeah, Eid is around the corner, isn't it?
Yes, you're right.
So, before we go deep into this video and talk more about Eid, I would love that you introduce yourself for the audience.
Okay. So if I talk about myself again, that my name is Mantasha, I'm from UP. I have completed my post graduation in Urdu language and I love reading, speaking and traveling and I'm running YouTube channel as well, Flynn Mantasha. That's all.
Yeah, great. You are doing so many things. So okay, fine. As I told you that we are going to discuss about Eid, but before I discuss, I want to introduce myself too, because for viewers, those who are going to join, maybe this video is going to be the first one for them. They must be willing to know about me. So I am Manju Mishra and I'm connecting with Mantasha from Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh and which is also known as the city of Nawabs. After completing my master's degree, I happened to become a teacher and today I'm a retired teacher and freelancing now, taking online classes. Profession, I was a teacher, now I'm freelancing, taking online classes. This is pretty much about me. Now, over to you, Mantasha. I will not waste your time. I just want to know something about Eid because people, those who are going to watch this video, most of the things they know because Eid is a very common festival for all of us in India, especially. Okay. So, if I talk about what is Eid mean to you, what do you think
Eid
about this
means
festival?
for me
Yeah.
that it is the happiness that all we do, the dedication we just give for Ramadan, for keeping fast, reciting Quran, offering namaz, whatever the hard work we do, this is the celebration of these hard work
Hmm.
we
And
dedicate for God.
yes, and I have even heard about charity that people do lots of charity during Ramadan time. Okay, so
Yeah, we do that.
would you like to just uh, elaborate this in your own words that how and why it is only important during Ramadan to do lots of charity? And that is called
Yeah,
it's called in Urdu. What do we call it? This charity is called, I think something, I don't remember the name. What do we call it? I think Zakat or something. Zakat.
mm, yes, zakat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Even
was
I
trying to
forgot.
remember this
Yeah,
term. Yes, Zakat. Yeah.
zakat. We give zakat.
Yeah.
It is mandatory in Eid time. Every my in my at my home, every elders give zakat charity. and it is followed by everyone's
Mm-hmm.
in religion, and it's really important because it shows the humanity, and as well as I don't know much about it because I don't have, but how long I know that it is important.
Mm-hmm.
And
So whom do you give? Do you give it to the poor people, or how it is like?
we give poor people so
Poor
that we
people.
can help them. Yeah,
Okay. So even your near and dear ones, loved ones, what you love, what you like, those things also, you just give to them, or you just do the charity out of your love,
yeah,
out of your sense of religion, maybe. Yeah.
yes, yeah,
Yes, that's good. That's good. Actually, we all should try whatever we have, our capacity out of that. If we can just afford to help one person, yeah, if each person helps one person, then India would not be a land of poor people at all, isn't it? So everybody should do it, and
mhm,
we must think of charity. Yeah, yeah. At the same time, people have made it as a business. Like some healthy people, they are physically fit, but they still ask for alms. That is not good. That should not happen. If they really deserve to get that charity, then we should give them that kind of charity, and we should
exactly. You're
love to
right.
do that. Yeah. So what are
Yeah,
all preparations are you doing? I think.
I have made the dresses for Eid, and
Oh,
I have buy. Yeah, I have bought about, and as well as there are lots of celebrations,
oh,
and
that's lovely.
very
So
happy and very excited for that.
yeah, what have you bought for you?
I bought like trouser, kurta, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the
Okay. So, can
it
you
is the
share
dress. Yeah,
something from your any memory which you have in your mind from the past Eid, any Eid which is interesting, or you liked it, or you happen to have that moment by chance? If you want to share this, anything from your past memory.
anything of my past memory. It's like very exciting. It's like about fair. I went to fair, and I swung
Hmm.
like swing. You know that swing that
Yeah,
I
yeah, I know.
swung, and I felt scared of
Jhula.
to
Swing
sit.
is jhula, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes, yes.
Different rides
Swing.
nowadays. Actually, we have not only swings, we have different types of rides. Some are very intimidating. Actually, for me, I cannot use them, like Columbus. Oh my god, I feel like vomiting when I whenever I have been to that. Okay, so yeah, but children enjoy it, and you must be enjoying. So yeah, you were saying something, please go ahead.
It's about our preference or convenience, right?
Hmm.
So I feel comfortable, but I felt scared. First time, it was the first time that I sat and in the swing, and I was crying. I was just very scared in
Yeah.
swing, and everyone's laughing at me. So that was really embarrassing moment for me.
Oh, yes, yes.
So
It's
that was
not
the moment.
easy. It's not easy to, deal with these kind of swings. These days, we have many types of rides, actually. Okay. Some look very easy when you will see that children are enjoying and they are not getting frightened. It seems that, yes, I can also go and enjoy. But once you actually face, personally, then you feel that terror of it. And when you go high and then you look down, that gives you a kind of fear, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Because I wasn't accustomed to sit like that was the reason that I felt fear first time. But after that, it's been very long time, long years that was the reason that I felt nervousness. But now I don't feel nervousness. I don't feel scared. I just
You
conveniently I
enjoy
sit
now.
there and enjoy the moment.
Yes, yes. Now you are a grown-up girl, so you don't have any fear of those swings. But earlier, like I also remember once my son, I thought that he's a small boy and he will really enjoy Columbus. Although I just went to that Columbus because of my children. My daughter was younger to my son, but still she was not afraid at all. Once Columbus started, then my son leaving my lap, he went under the seat And everybody started really making fun of him and laughing, but he was scared like anything. So it happens when you are small, when you
Yeah,
go for the first time. So yeah, everything, when we do it for the first time, it's scary. Yeah.
it's true.
Yeah. So are you fasting today? Because it's Ramadan going on.
Yes, today is my fast. Yeah.
Oh, you are passionate about doing something by hook or by crook. You try to do it. You are fasting, but still, this is your second conversation, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, you're
Yes.
right.
So since morning you are fasting and you will have something after the sunset, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
And so how many more days are left? 2 or 3 more days, isn't it?
Yeah, 2, 3 days.
So how do you feel? Just share about, because people have a great trauma about fasting for 30, 40 days. They think that how it is possible. Okay. So how do you feel after the completion of the fast of these Ramadan periods? Do you really feel weak, or you feel energetic or more enthusiastic? How about this fasting? Because we keep fasting for one
Mm,
day, and then like second day we eat, but for you people it's like whole day you are fasting, and that too continuously for many days.
yeah. Because I feel that it's all about that if we are not accustomed to do the things that we are just doing first time, so it might look like very challenging. But if you keep fasting, so you don't feel scared, you don't feel weakness, you get habitual, you get accustomed. So I think it's all about the consistency. If you are just keeping fast consistently, then continuously, then you'll not feel burnout, you'll not feel weakness.
Actually,
You'll not
I
feel
too
that
feel.
it's challenging.
Actually, it purifies whole body, like whole day your body is at rest, isn't it? Because throughout our
Yeah.
life, we keep on eating, and all the body parts which are actively involved in digesting the food. So they have been working for so long. So actually, we also try to keep fasting for a day or two in a week, if possible. That's good for our
Yeah,
own body. Yeah. We feel lighter even.
exactly.
Yeah, I too feel lighter
I
after
also
keeping.
like one thing about it. I like that we just get habitual of self controlling. We just control ourselves as well to not eat, to prevent ourselves to not eat. So this is a good habit, right? We develop over time in Ramzan, in this month of Ramzan. And because sometimes what happens that we don't have the self control, right? But we build this habit as well through this.
Yes, of course. Of course, this is very important. By doing practically, we learn certain things. Yeah. Saying something like, yeah, I
Mm,
can do this. It's very simple, very easy. But when you engross in doing that, then you get to know about the real challenges of it, isn't it? Like fasting, how it
yeah.
is. Now, practically, you have faced it. You can feel it. For you, it is very simple. And somebody who hasn't even done, if ever he has not done or she has not done, and she has been asked to fast for 30 days, probably it would be intimidating, it will be very fearful for that person. Yeah. But yes,
Mm,
practice of anything makes us perfect. So practice of fasting is also
exactly.
very good actually. So whole day you must not be having much work also to do, because cooking is the tedious task for all the ladies.
Yeah, it's big.
Whole day they keep on cooking
Yeah,
something or the
and
other.
it is tedious. It is tedious as well, and I feel burnout. And cooking is like it's not my preference, I would say. But I like to cook because it's really helpful. Not it like after being homemaker, like after getting married, it will not help. It won't help. It's also help, and it make us independent. We are not depend on anyone any longer if we know this skill of cooking food, I think.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I think this
That's
way.
really important. That's really important. Actually, if you think of being in India, it's even easier. We get cook also, we can get maid even. But if you go to any of the foreign countries, there you have to be self-made. You will not get these helping hands so very easily. And you will have to pay a lot, a lot. Not like here, cooks are available maybe in 4,000, 5,000, and they are working for you for one complete month, day and night. They are coming in the morning, they are coming in the evening. So, but it is not possible to get this benefit and to get this facility, even I can say that, in foreign countries. So being independent in culinary art is very important. And these days, you see, most of the cooks are men. They are learning, and many channels are there on YouTube. They are growing so well, and they are just teaching something related to cooking. So yeah, we should know cooking also. It's very, very important. So you have learned many things to cook from your mother, or you explore something to cook from YouTube?
I explore from YouTube as well, but my mom is very fond of watching videos on YouTube. So she tries new dishes. She likes to cook new dishes as well.
Oh, that's
And
nice.
I also like to cooking as well, but now I have another work like mopping, brooming, others dusting, like washing clothes, all other things that makes me busy. That's why I don't get time for cooking. But I help my mom, but not I don't cook. I don't help completely in cooking, but I like cooking very much.
If you are left to cook, at least you know how to cook, so you can cook for a day or two, isn't it? As your mother is
Yeah.
cooking, and she has not given you the burden of cooking, so you are not doing it. But when it comes to, suppose you are going somewhere for the job purpose, or maybe after marriage, you have a nuclear family, so at least you have to think for your husband and for yourself, that how can we cook, isn't it? Simple things, not if
Yeah.
not very complicated things, but at least simple things we should know. We all should know to
But
cook.
I have one thing to share with you. You'll not laugh it, but I don't think that it is worth it to just think these days. No one value it. If you are cooking well, na, everyone appreciating. Everyone say that it is worth it to appreciate. But others think there is no value of others thing. I think
Right,
in
right.
homework, in house chores.
Yes, yes, that is right. But yeah, more than that, if these housewives, they are uh, serving everyone whole day and night. But still, if you are working lady, you are more appreciated. You are more valued.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, Mantasha, it was
That's true.
really lovely answers you gave, and I really loved to connect with you. One last question. You are an educated girl. I want to ask you, education has a deep meaning, actually. Okay. Everybody can define this term education in their own word. They can say that education is, maybe for me, having more of knowledge. Okay. Some can say maybe reading many books, knowing many facts. But what is education for you, Mantasha? How do you take education in your life? What is education for you? Just, I want to know from you. In short, in short.
Education for me that it makes you from homo sapiens to human being, a good person, a good human being. So it is education for me. It's not about that financial stability. It's about that you are learning, you are having experience about that, about life, about people, and you are just knowing the word properly, and you are living and like yeah, that's it.
Yes, nicely explained. Actually, education is, if you are educated and you are sitting in one corner of the room, you are doing nothing, you are good for the society, you are doing something for the society, then that education is worth it. Society doesn't mean only my children, my husband. Society means when you are an engineer, you are helping a farm. When you are a doctor, you are helping out so many patients out there, isn't it? So education, when it is implemented, that is very important. Okay. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Mantasha. One piece of advice on Eid. What is one piece of advice from Mantasha on the occasion of Eid?
Piece of advice. Okay. So I want all of you that just enjoy Eid and just help the poor people. They really need you and just give charity as well. And yeah, that's all.
Thank you so much, Mantasha. Lovely answer. And it was really lovely connecting with you. And hope that very soon we will chew the fat again and we'll discuss many more things. Bye bye.
Bye.